In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your keyboard bigger on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to basically prompt the keyboard. There are many different ways you can go about doing this. You can go on YouTube and search for a video, you can go on Messenger and type a message, or if you want to be like me, you can scroll up and then search for an application. Without actually searching for an application, we just want the keyboard to open up. As you can see, my keyboard has now opened up. And if you take a look at the top side of the keyboard, you can see the emojis here, you can see my clipboard and a bunch of different settings. Now, where I want you to click is the three dots at basically on the right hand side, which is where they are in my case. Tap on that. And then as you can see, there's two pages to this setting. Simply scroll to the right. And as you can see, keyboard size is right here. Tap on that. And from here, I can basically adjust the keyboard size to my liking. I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger like this, and I can also increase the size upwards just like that to make the keyboard bigger. And yeah, once you're done, click on done. And as you can see, my keyboard is now bigger. And yeah, that's about it. That's how to make your keyboard bigger on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.